Ndị be anyị ekene m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị si na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo midia ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo midia. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị miss any of our updates dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe Biafran Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasịta maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
I posted something on the Jumbotron. It's a breaking. The United States of Biafra will henceforth conduct 2 categories of fundraising every Saturday. One of the fundraisings will be for our United States of Biafra general fundraising every 2 weeks. The second fundraising will be for the 40 states of Biafra every 2 weeks. All Zoom fundraisings will be scheduled by the government. Starting January 17th, 2025, the following United States of Biafra homeland Zoom fundraising will start. So this coming Saturday, the homeland fundraising will start. Donation will go directly to the state homeland account. Ladies and gentlemen, are you people seeing this? We are going home. Support your state. Thanks, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, COS and DPM. This is what we're talking about. Nobody has time for gossip. This government is out to do the needful. This government is out to hit the ground running, and you can see that they are mapping out, rolling out activities, rolling out ideas, rolling out things that we are making. That is when you see this cabinet, coming out with our COS, coming out with the news, it will look like our PM is rightly with us. How many of you noticed that? The way she talks like, this man is in her. And this is what we are talking about, because she said it, that whoever the Biafra spirit possess, you got no choice. You will roar. Watch them. But these people, criminals who are parading themselves, they can't even talk. You see the way they are talking like people that are weak, because they know exactly that they are wrong. They are on the wrong side of history. And our government has moved on.
Sorry, seriously, my brother. You see what they've said? They said they've even advised alliance, Onge Kerry alliance, is easier, whatever, no good. They've advised him not to come on media. They've advised him because
of course, he knows what he knows. They know what they are doing.
Mouth is talk rubbish. He's got no charisma. He's got no. He's not articulated. He does not have the presidential or prime ministerial look. His leadership style is rugged. United States of Biafra has always produced men of caliber.
Mommy, Claudine, see, this man is just a thug, okay? He's a thug. Look at the way he talks. He's a thug. He doesn't have that charisma. And you can see that if he has all it takes, Biafra would have followed him. But immediately Biafra look at the person they want to follow, somebody who has a criminal record. And this is where I now know that, see, even Mazinande Carlo, that man is a savior indeed. He said this thing. He said that if you give, he said if you give Nigerian media because they are Nigerian media now, as far as I'm concerned. He said if you give them money, they will see the goodness of Satan. Look at those people who used to come on board and tell us how shrewd and dignifying they are. They will tell you, we are Biafran, we are whiter than white, slower than slow. That's the way David will always be singing that rhyme. It's like whiter than white, slower than slow. I don't know what, so whatever. But at the end of the day, the same David now is singing music with those criminals after collecting money. That's what we are talking about. You see, this, if you must come to equity, you must come with a clean hands. Those guys, they are messing up. And thank God that our government is equal to the tax. Every day we are rolling out with activities. We are moving. Biafra, we are moving. Nobody is listening. See, nobody has time for those people anymore. That's my happiness. We told you in the next 1 or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you will not be hearing them anymore. What they are doing is just to open a coke chamber and encourage themselves. And as the more they are talking, the more people are leaving them. Because there's a way you keep lying, then people will get your lie. So when they come, they say, is it not the normal thing they will tell us? I'm telling you. Because I think
Rooney,
yeah, go ahead, my brother. Yeah.
there is a thing I want to chip in here. I'm sorry that I just intrude. I'm in Africa. Obum is in Africa. You see this guy called this online commander. He's a senior brother to Akparawa. Bear that in mind. He's a senior brother to Akparawa, Sonny Akparawa. I'm talking about Sonny Akparawa.
No kidding. Are you serious right now?
He's a senior brother to Sonny Akparawa.
Serious right now?
I'm in Africa, guy. He's a senior brother. I respect somebody like QTV and the Kelena. You see these two guys? I respect them. I'm in Africa. This guy running this C-Rose, either you take it or you leave it, is vam using that account. If he doubts it, let him come and debunk it. Is vam using that account. I said it in Adade Olama program. I said it in Chuk's program. I'm still saying it's vam using that C-Rose. Then this Commander Rose is his senior brother to Akparawa. You understand? The only thing I want us to do now is to focus, apply that our mental toughness. I single-handedly fought my unit here. I am residing in Africa here. Single-handedly. You people don't know. See, I'm mad about Biafra. I'm mad. I'm totally mad. You can't tell me what is truth. I'm above 40 years. So you can't tell me where to stand. So please, the only thing I want us to do now is to focus, with apply that our mental toughness. That is the only thing I want us to do. Thank you so much. I hear my mic here.
Yeah, thank you, Obum. Honestly, you see, right from time I have always suspected that when I hear, Commander, come, he will come and talk. And this one, I said, this is not our discipline. Yes, we are. No. I told my friend, I said, no, the people that we have are disciplined than this. Come on, they are intelligent. It's not these online criminals who are just coming out to make noise. I told them, and you see these people, their shenanigans is being uncovered every day by Biafran, and it's a good thing. They are gone, and thank God for our DPM. The woman is making us proud. Biafra women, you guys are wonderful. You that are here, you are great. We are very proud of you, Umuadan. You guys are making us proud. Imagine, who would have imagined what would have happened if that woman didn't do what she did? Who would? People like us that always go to one Nigerian space, they know me, they will laugh me to scorn. Honestly. But God, in his infinite wisdom and mercy, encouraged that woman to do what she did. She has my utmost respect any day, anytime. I don't give a damn what chara chara. They are no longer shouting chara. Chata is now gone. No more chara 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 chara. They are no longer. What they are not doing is they wait for us to bring out idea. They will tell them run, zoo, zoo. Which people are doing that kind of that have that kind of mentality? Was it not the DOS? Connect the dots now. These are their planted moles. They have been following us, just like the same way those people were following. Judas was following the Jesus disciple. Following, you think they are with you, but they have their own agenda. These are their planted moles. And I'm very sure that these people have been going behind, having meeting with those people that PM sacked. They can't debunk it. They have been doing this thing before now. And this thing started after Finland Helsinki Convention. They saw the light coming. They want to come and stop it. God bless our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. God bless our Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. God bless this United States of Biafra. I yield for now.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Sister Clara James, are you near your device? Ronnie, you're a funny guy. You're always making me laugh whenever you say your speeches. Oh my God. I
ahead.
always laugh whenever you take up a mic. You're a funny guy. Hey, are you available? Do you want to make Mazi Ronnie if he's available as your second co-host? So we can continue to make this space stable. Okay. All right. Biafra first to love. Welcome, my lovely, lovely sister. Thank you so much. Go ahead, take your 5 cents. However, take your 5 cents if you can. And then
Yes,
we'll go to
ma'am.
the rest. Thank you so much.
Urobo wado, Usoko
Hey,
wado,
hey,
Biafra wado.
hey.
Hey,
This is beautiful. Thank you for opening back.
Yeah. Sorry,
I
Biafra First Love.
yes, ma'am.
Rooney, I sent you co-host because you didn't accept it or something like that. I don't know what happened. He's saying I only have one now. I don't know if you can do something about it. Maybe you.
I've not seen it here, sir. Let me check. Let me go out and come back in.
If you go out and you are not able to come back in, I'm not responsible for it.
No, I'll definitely come back in so that I'll be able to
These
send it
people,
again.
they are doing Ojoro here. Come on, go ahead.
They will wait. They are wasting their time.
I
Okay,
can
go
go
on.
on?
Go
Okay.
on. Yes, go on.
Thank
Sister.
you.
Go on.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm looking at the topic, right? It says US of Biafra in focus. Right to existence. Defense. Thank you. Yes, I like it. We're still in the spirit. As a matter of fact, we are at war. War in the land, war on media. So I understand. Sister Happy, I still see some, why? What? You still crying. You're not like Sister Claudine. You cannot bambanu. You go to command, you go to tell them, say, na so you want them, na so you feel. Waiting. I love you, Sister Claire. You are too much. Even though I'm on the same side with we child, I'm on the same side with her,
Oh boy, yeah, now
um,
come on,
I'm on the same side with her because confidence, RPM. If you really know where this is all going, at the end of the day, I still believe that RPM is protected. Has actually put so much confusion. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was coming there, sir. I was coming. You was gonna be You was gonna be the
Unless
top.
your hair don't grow.
You
You
was
go
gonna be
hair don't
the
grow.
last man. You know, you was gonna be the last one. I'm gonna. You know, Saugo, I was coming to you because I listened to that the video of the PM resolving some issues, and I realized how honest you was, and there you stood. You know, you stood for the truth. You were honest with your decision, and so was Ngo. But I noticed that every other person is not even longer in this freedom. All of them are gone, and this guy is going to the media, I mean juju man, to make voodoo for him to gain what. So it's we have to be careful. This is voluntary. This is just voluntary work, and whichever way we bring it, like Sister Claudine, she have her way. She brings it. This phone girl, same thing. Ronnie, everybody, you know please, we must be truthful. We must stay in the truth. That's why Mazi Honorable Ugo 247, that's why he won. I tell you, when I first started with this media thing, I did it because of PM, because he was saying media. When I first started, I saw this guy Achembong, Mr. aka Sonny Akparawa. I go to his space, all they talk about Simon Ekpa in a very bad way. And then I'll go in there, I'm like, no, I don't feel good. I'll come out. You know? And he will go on, he will let them speak. And somebody will come and say, why do you let these people speak? Say, leave them. I will leave. And then maybe like a month after that, I just saw him, he became the communication, whatever, you know? And I'm like, wow, this guy, it's not my business. I'm still learning. I don't know anybody. I don't know anything. So I kept going. And then I saw Vam did what he did. I even exposed this thing because he went under some kind of phase trying to solicit people for money. And I
Biafra
exposed.
first love, sorry to cut in. I think that would have been the time nobody would have allowed those people to enter in there.
Exactly. I
That was the
exposed.
time they would have been stopped.
I said, why don't you wait for your
Yes, we
suspension
can.
to
Anything we
finish?
see now, see something, hear something, we are not going to hear anything you see. Even if you don't know much, just say it. Come here, we talk about it. Our government will hear. Ronnie, I wanted to tell you that today now they are doing IOU, they are doing fundraising in their space. Thank you.
Let them do whatever. If
Let
they
them do whatever.
whoever
They will start
they
fighting
owe them.
themselves on that money.
Yeah,
It's not audio.
they're
It's
not doing
audio
it under
now.
USB. They can't
It's
tell us they don't
audio.
hear us.
Not
You
even
know.
that is audio. What they are doing is audio. Everybody, how many of them have will send their money to that account? Who are they deceiving?
So I know, and we have right to existence. I mean, this Western world, God has put in so much confusion in them. Even though they need our oil, but they still need life too. And this is why God raised people like Kanu to prepare us. And then when the time came, he prepared the good guy, with all the knowledge and every attributes that he got. He brought it in, boom, saved us. Even though he may have promised and said, listen, I'm going to do this for my people. They was like, oh, you can't do it. He said, I'm going to do it. Oh, it's not going to be easy. Don't worry. You remember he came on space and told us that they told him that, oh, it's not going to be easy. He said he knows, but he wants total freedom for his people. And I believe that he did it in such a way that he has not stepped on any toes at this point, because he's a smart, intelligent man. And at this time, Finland has not stepped on any toes, because At the end of the day, we declared our independence in that country. I was there. I was treated like a dark princess. I don't know what everybody else got. I did not get any headache. Nobody challenged me. Even the police came trying to return a lost phone to me. I said, no, hold on to it. Let me call the right person. I called Uche, you know? And so many things happen there that we know that a big power is over us. But God has put in so much confusion in them at this time. So this is why we have time to gather ourselves together. God has pushed us to that point where we were able to. Imagine if we did not declare. Ngom, hey, Queen of Biafra. I'm having chills every time I remember the lady. This is too much for me. Because if she didn't do that, we wouldn't even be talking. So we did that. That was the tipping point. Now we're back home. Remember, Mike Rubin said, even though we declared in exile, because we lived in exile, we have the right to our homeland. That's when we declared. And we haven't done anything wrong. The DPM did not declare too soon, because if you listen to my PM, that I admire his wisdom, in his words, in his dates, he said, our declaration, liberation, will begin on the 29th. So tell me, how do we begin a declaration? I think he planned it so perfectly. And if that was what gave me the stepping, the the go, the get go, to be so happy,
I
so
think I
happy.
think PM saw these guys and their plan on the second that say what he said.
Oh yeah, he knew. It's obvious because every time he says second is sacrosanct, just go look at the meaning of sacrosanct, all the meaning of that, and then tell me something beginning from. So I believe what's happening is happening because my PM knew it. It's gonna happen. I don't feel anything that he's in any kind of danger. Before he left, he told us for 2 weeks, he said, there's gonna be big propaganda. It's gonna be so big. This is where we get our tough mental. It's gonna be so big, and it was so big, it's almost divided. And this is what the instrument they want to use against us. Remember, since 67 to 70, we had our independence. We were no longer Nigerian, belonged to Nigeria. We didn't know because of the kind of leaders we had. This is the same kind of leader they want to take over now, so that somebody like Tinubu can continue strolling into Biafra land. They can continue and then could continue their occupation without any leader, really. This is what they want. But the thing is, they've been set up. They have been set up to fail. Why? Chukwukika is the one in charge. See? So we're in good hand. I believe we're in good hand, and we should concentrate. And we should, like tag Alex. As many, these people almost killed him with tagging. I'm sure he probably just uh, block everybody from Nigeria, you know? I'm sure. They're tired. They're not giving us any news. Nigeria don't really know what's going on, but we know we have Biafra and we have Nigeria. Oduduwa has not departed. The other people, Hausa, have not departed. So we have Biafra and Nigeria. We know that. It's happened. Thank you, Kokiki. All hail Biafra. Chineke. I'll come back again. Sure.
Well, my sister,
Thank you,
thank you
thank
for
you,
that.
thank you, thank you, thank you. Biafra first love. Thank you. Uh, Rooney, I don't know if you can maybe what you said earlier, or maybe
Yeah,
you
can
go.
you remove? I've done that. Remove. Look, click on my name. Remove me from co-hosting. Then resend it back.
Okay, let me see. Remove. It's not giving me that. It's just saying remove from speaker. It's saying it's not giving me. Let me. It's not giving me that. Let me do something. You see, it's not giving me that. Never mind. Okay. We have Ugo. If you are ready, anytime you are ready, you can come in. Please, Honorable Ugo, you can come in anytime. But Sunday, Divine. Oh, the mic is yours. Go ahead and make your submission. Shine,
Good
baby, and
evening.
when you're ready, put your hands up. You can come in at any time. But Sunday, go ahead and make your submission. Thank you. Let me.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I don't have much word to say, but I call to a kind of appreciate every one of you in the media. In fact, we that in Biafra land have seen the truth, and I'm very grateful. Especially, I call him Big Mommy, that Mommy Clara Dean. In fact, your voice is like a thunder. That your voice, you don't know what is doing in the camp of enemy. In fact, I thought you follow the other people, but when I saw you in this, in fact, with our government, in fact, whenever I hear your voice, it make me feel happy. When I listen to Rooney, in fact, he doing marvelous. Many of you, Biafra love, my big brother, who go 247. In fact, Benchus, many of you that whenever I listen to you people, in fact, whether I eat or I do not eat, I always will feel satisfied. So I want to say, you people have told the right part. All I want to say, our leader normally says, don't allow the devil to enter you. What you people are doing there is speaking loud here in Biafra land. And you people never know what in fact, the gravity of what people are doing. But when you people come down, you see that your word and your voice are penetrating. And I pray that God that help you people to follow the right path will continue to be with you people. And whenever you look, in fact, when I look at the topic you brought today, in fact, my friend was telling me, in fact, my friends was very happy before he left me. So please, I want to pray that this God will continue to be with you people and to continue to give you wisdom so that our government will do well. Because with you people, with the knowledge and advice, they will do well. When I look at our DPM, he's doing quite well. And he will do more if you people on Twitter space. In fact, when I look at these people before now, other people they are the people every 24 hours they on what on Twitter. If we talk, they will call us thief. They will call a lot of names. You see and I take up my I want to fat. I have promised them that they will not sleep. I don't know how to speak, but I will make sure I will write and write until I get satisfied. So please keep what you are doing, and our God will not allow to put to shame. In fact, many of they don dey fakes. Many of them now In fact, the insult that they are receiving now, I don't know whether they will continue keep it, because our God, in fact, Biafra is a spirit, and when he hold you, you can, in fact, you can never leave you. But when when you kind of you misbehave, he will leave you, and it will be very difficult for the spirit to come upon you. And the spirit have come upon you people, and I pray that he will never leave you until our recognition is being done. Thank you and be blessed.
Thank you, Sunday Divine, for that inspirational words. Thank you so much. Their disgrace is only God. We leave everything in the hands of God. They will continue to be the laughing stock of everybody. So that is what's going to happen to them. Everybody can see. The Biafrans we have these days, the Biafrans now, they know the truth. They are not, President Dekanu cannot take the microphone for 10 years and people will not gain something from it. They know the truth. And we will stand on the truth. We are focused on our recognition. We have the right to existence. And our defense is going to be top notch. Everything we are doing now is for our defense, because we are going to guide them jealously. We will do everything, and we are happy that they are in stable hands. Our defense is being run by people with stable hands, and they know what they are doing, and that is what we are happy about. Thank you for that submission.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shine baby, you are there, and we'll go. Whichever one wants to take. Oh, Simon. Simon is here. Simon's hands are up. Simon, go ahead and quickly make your submission.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Thank you, our auntie, our mommy, Clara Deans. I thank you. Thank you, our Google. Thank you, Ventures. I see you. Mm. Thank you, everyone, for this space. You know, they bring down the good man space because we hit them in a little bit. Now they bring it down. You know, Ezoku Bondo. Truth is life. Whatever you are doing today, you remove truth from your mouth. Any day you remove truth, that is the day the Spirit of God, Chiowage, will depart from you that day. Any day you remove truth from your mouth. Any day you betray. According to the Bible, it says, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Who is your neighbor? Everyone that is around you, close to you, whether not close to you, your brothers, your sisters, even people I say, love. Put the love of heart in you so that you will not face stress in life. When you love me, whenever you see me coming, what do? You will be happy. But when you hate me, whenever you see me coming, you will be restless. Your heart will be troubled. It will be as if you want to dig ground and fly away because you hate this kind of particular person. Hmm? I wouldn't know phobia. And you are a human being marching on the ground. You say you are living in Europe and you are betraying your own people. You thought you are in the heaven. Shame to you. You know what baffles me most is Sister Clara. The people that live in Europe that are still working and making their money are the one betraying, taking money, betraying this struggle more than the people.
Wadaluli neno from Igbo media boy by si wele utenu nyabozi di oke mkpa gbasata maka ihe na Nigeria and ihe na-eme n'ebe dị iche iche na Eastern region. and unu no kosi adana Finland and Biafran Prime Minister Kesi Jidia the update and Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland so yiri na aka anyị na-ewetelu n'iru akwụkwọ kife were ikwu gbasịta maka ya bụ ihe chief of staff kwugasị n'iru akwụkwọ ya na ebe ọtọgasị aka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra so ya bụ ife ka anyị si ka anyị tinyere unu kunu gwa ifu nche n'ụdị nkunu